back to exercise analytics channel. So today we will be starting with another exercise of Power BI calculated columns. So this is also an easy exercise. We will go on this exercise. As you can see in this exercise, what we need to do, we need to divide one column by another column, avoiding any divide by zero errors. Okay, so we will go here, we will click here, and we will download the file. So I have already downloaded the file. I will open the file and we will see what is the problem statement here. So in the site it's directly mentioning that open the Power BI file. In the above folder you should see that it contains a list of 61 tall buildings. If we see, yes, we have 61 tall buildings table here. Okay, so it's mentioning that create a calculated column in the building table to show the average height of each floor for each building. Divide meters column by floor column. Okay, so in Power BI we will go here, we will add one new calculated column. We will name this as average floor height, and we will divide meters column with the floors. After dividing this, we are getting these values 5.079. so what we will do, we will select the column, we will change the number of decimal places to 2 here so that the number is much more readable. Now we have much more readable values. So now in the problem statement, if you see, there is a sort by descending order. If we click same thing in our data table, we can check if we are having infinity here, or yes, we are having infinity. That's rank 61, giant owl towers, giant owls tower, infinity, yes. So what we will do now, we will put this average floor height into the table, this table, and let's see we will get any other thing or not. So the thing is, we should not get any zero here, so we are not getting any zero here. That's good. In the descending order, and I will go here and I will just put this average floor here, and we will do the average only, and we will see if I do this, then infinity, giant owl towers, yes, so we are getting the accurate value.